We've walked and drawn our lines, we've put our weapons down, our visions turned to gold, and now we're blacking out. So we pull our feet through the gathering storm, and the season's done, it's done at the unknown.
God's culture never fucking stops, right?
Imagine we are higher than the sparrows. Casually we're breathing with the pharaohs. Tragically we fall just like the arrows. You will hear our voices echo. We are the hearts. We will the hearts. We will never be better sold. We are the hearts. Forever singing. We are the hearts, and the future runs through our bones. We are the hearts, forever singing. So we are the hearts. We're dancing through the smoke and we don't mind the flames. Now we become the ghost that you know by name. Imagine we are higher than
Man, I'm stressed out. Where the booze be? I need a brewski, something that soothes me. Little bit of liquid that kick harder than Bruce Lee's. Loosely, too free, so I grab a loose leaf. Everyone's like, who's he? Guess I'll give a news brief. The name's Pharaoh, bitch, I think it's time you recognize I'm the type of person that'll eat all of your extra fries. Hungry, but I exercise. Getting big, I'm next to rise. Yeah, seems I just got up on this elevator. Now all the previous haters are asking me for the favors, but I leave them at the bottom, headed for the top floor. But before I make it there, I got a lot more. When I get there, I'll be careful for those mop floors, cause the janitor's the one with keys to lock doors. I am careful where I step, I don't burn bridges, cause I've learned in this that you gotta earn riches. I don't care about you, so why you care about me? I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. I don't care about you, so why you care about me? I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. Only dreams are what I'm chasing. It seems that what I'm facing is a scheme that only green is what is seen from expectations. What I need's the best creations. There are no limitations, only limits are the minutes. Counting down your next vacation. My vacation's in my basement. Never take a day off, cause everybody knows it when you put in work, it pays off. The trade-off is those who think it's coming at a day's cost. It's gonna be some years before you even start to take off. Breaks off, this rap shit is a game and it's the playoffs. Don't play soft, I gotta slide at every beat like Adolf Hitler. Heading for the clouds and I'm a twister. Heating up like a transistor, about to pop up like a blister. Yeah, it's almost impossible to stand the odds against me. I won't stand none, all I do is write my plans out so that they'll not understand how I can reach my goals, expand out. Then I slowly gain exposure and I'll make them awesome fans now. I don't care about you, so why you care about me? I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams. I don't care about you, so why you care about me? I don't care what you do, still chasing my dreams.
Et voilà, la vidéo est terminée. N'hésite pas à laisser un like et à t'abonner. Moi et la team, on vous dit à la prochaine pour plein d'autres vidéos et salut à tous.